How to fix Warzone 2.0 error #X41. 1. Kindly request to change current party leader. 2. For PlayStation players, restore licenses on your console. PS5, follow this path: settings, users and accounts, other, restore licenses. PlayStation 4, go to settings, account management, restore licenses. 3. PC, verify game files in your own game launcher. 3.1 Steam. 3.2. Battle.net. Like this. 4. PC, update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.